And now let's practice speaking by answering some questions about the text. Let's answer the questions in exercise 11. Da li je Ana udata? Da, Ana je udata. Gde je njena kuća? Njena kuća je u Beogradu. Gde je Anin posao? Anin posao je u bolnici. Gde je Anina bolnica? Anina bolnica je u Beogradu. Gde je Jovanov posao? Jovanov posao je u centru grada. Koliko godina imaju njihova deca? Njihova deca imaju 4 godine, 7 godina i 2 godine. Of course, all the answers can vary. You can say anything you wish as long as it's grammatically correct and it matches the text. Now let's take a look at some words that represent family members and see what are their genders. In exercise 12, let's use the words that are of the orange color and put them in the right category. Žene, women, muškarci, men, and grupa, a group, so plural of people. Sin, muškarci. Brat, muškarci. Majka, žene. Žena, žene. Roditelji, grupa. Deca, grupa. Ćerka, žene. Sestra, žene. Otac, muškarci. Muž, muškarci. Now would be a good time to check if you know all of these words, and if that is clear, then placing them in the right category will also be clear, depending on the meaning and whether the noun is singular or plural.